Right, we now have quite a useful set of functions. I've added to the end of this lesson in searching and sorting how to use include to put those functions together so they can be incorporated into any future projects. So let's create this exercise, which I'm going to call exercise 5 _ sort and search PHP, and it's just going to be those functions. So file, new, it's going to be PHP create. This must not have any HTML in it, so I'm going to delete all the HTML. I'm going to save it with the file name I just suggested. I'm making sure I'm in my practice folder, and it's going to be sort and search .php. So ex5 _ sort _ and _ search.php. So here we go, save it. What do I want in here? Well, I'd like all the multi-sort stuff that I've got that is useful. Now, just the functions. So the functions I need the function swap. I need the function index of minimum, and I need the function selection sort. So they are all the functions. I'm going to copy those, put it into here. This needs to be a PHP page, so we're going to start off with our open PHP. And down the bottom we're going to close off our PHP. Would be neat to indent all that, so I'm going to indent it all. Alright, and since I've said it's going to be sort and search, let's go and add the search information in. So here we have our linear search. A linear search is just this function find. Add that in as well. Again, we'll just neaten up the indenting. And yeah, that is indented. Not indented a lot. Just wondering if it'd look a little neater if we indented that just a tad more. Oh, looks a bit neater. Okay, so now we have this sort and search. We can then incorporate this into any other program. So let's say I wanted to do that exercise at the end where I created a page just to find the data, and we can actually type it into the type in what the data is. So I'm going to go to my design page. So I'm going to go to a file, I'm going to create a new file. This is going to be HTML. And I think I suggested we're going to call this exercise 5 linear search. And it's not going to be PHP, it's going to be HTML. Going to design, just really rapidly design a form here. So go and insert, going to go to our form there. Inside the form, let's insert a text box. That text field's going to be maybe text to find. Down here we'll give ourselves FV text to find. Give ourselves a submit button. Go back here to define what the form does. So I need an action. Let's make a new page because I want to demonstrate how we can use this include ex5. I'm going to call it find.php. We don't have that page yet. We're going to build it in a moment. So ex5 underscore find.php. Just click away. Save that. So let's make this next file. So this file is going to go to our ex underscore find.php. So a new PHP page, create, go to code view, file, save as, ex5 underscore find. All right, in the body, all right, we're going to put some PHP. We're going to end off our PHP. We need those functions. All we say is include. And what are we including? ex5 underscore sort underscore search. Sorry, I had an and in there, and underscore search dot php. That all has to be in quotes. That means this now knows all the words that we need to know. All right, need to get the information. Text find equals, and this time it's going to come from that page, so we're going to use our post. And inside there we're going to put our FV text to find. Be careful here, and let's go back to our web page, just have a quick look. Clicking up here, text to find is what's down here, just to make sure we don't mess things up. All right, we need, oops, semicolon. We need some data. We'll grab the data we've been using before. So here's our linear search data. So put that in there. And now all I have to do is use my find function. So I'm going to take the code that we've used here. So that includes the column, because we need to know what that is. We could have put the column actually in the original find web page. Put that into there. Line up our indenting. In case you wonder what I'm using the Control Shift and greater than to tab things in nice and quickly. Right, and that's it. That little bit of code there does everything, because it pulls in a massive amount of information here. It has the array. We're setting the column at this stage, although I could have put that also as something that I retrieve using a post statement. Or I could actually go to a page which is for surnames and a page which is for first names, and the only difference would be this little bit of code here. And looking for it reminds me what I'm looking for. It goes through the process here of using the find, and then it goes and echoes if it finds something, or else it echoes that it didn't find anything. So make sure everything's saved. File, save all. So the starting point for this is our linear search page. So we're going to run that. And if I'm looking for Betty and click submit, that will send Betty as a post across to my page. Looking for Betty, and it's found Betty Long. All right. We go back, looking for John, submit. Looking for John, and it's found John Smith. Let's go back. Looking for Fred, submit. I'm looking for Fred, and it's not found. Okay. So that little combo works quite well. And what we've done, this find routine is now quite short, because it includes the include statement here includes all the functions that I need. I could do a similar thing and have it sort. And that's it, guys. I hope that all makes sense to you. All right. Bye for now.